Hello, followers. I asked a question a few days back about the AC cabin filter in your car. The truth is, I got shocked from the answers. Seems no one knows about it. As I am trying to help everyone here to get the knowledge and save money, I think this video is important because I will save you a lot of health bills for yourself and for your car. You see this big job of this car? This will cost thousands of dirhams. To remove the dashboard, wait, I will tell you more. First, what is the cabin filter? It is a small filter inside the cabin that will do two important things. 1. Remove the dust from the air that you are breathing, and in some luxury cars such as Mercedes, it removes the odor of the streets. 2. It protects AC evaporator, which will make this big mess in your car. In short, AC unit in your car takes the air from inside and outside with dirts, dust and smoke and pass the air only. That's why the cabin filter is important to be replaced at least once a year, and it takes less than 5 minutes and usually without any tool. You can search YouTube your car brand and type replace the cabin filter. Now let me tell you things that you will face if you don't replace it. 1. Weak air blowing, so you will push the air blower to go to 3 or 4. Why is that? Your clogged filter can't pass air. 2. Less cold air as the air is not passing. 3. Bad smell, especially when you start the AC. 4. Now the worst parts, allergy of the dust, as you are breathing dusts. 5. It will cost you removing the dashboard and replace AC evaporator. That's almost a week time of fixing and a lot of money to be paid. A C filter usually priced between 20 AED to 100 AED depending on your car, and you can find it at the glove box. Visit any of the shops listed at drcar.me and let them replace it for you.